Hello everyone, welcome back to Sabo Channel 1. Today we are going to dive into the fascinating world of convex mirrors. We'll explore how these mirrors work, how to draw ray diagrams for them, and how they image form in these types of mirrors. I do recommend to go to our channel and check our other videos related to the types of different mirrors. So let's get started. Unlike concave mirrors, which curve inward like a spoon, convex mirrors curve outward. Here is a basic diagram of a convex mirror. You'll notice that it has a reflective surface that bulges out. The center and the focal point are shown in this image. Ray diagrams are a great way to understand how light interacts with mirrors. First, the ray that's parallel to the principal axis. When this ray strikes the convex mirror, it appears to diverge from the focal point behind the mirror. The ray directed toward the center of the mirror. Since the center of the mirror is behind the mirror, the ray diverges and appears to come from the focal point. Now let's talk about the image formation in these types of mirrors. The key characteristic of images formed by convex mirrors are that they are always virtual, upright, and reduced in size compared to the object. This is why convex mirrors are so useful for applications like rear view mirrors in cars. They give a wider field of view and help drivers see more of the road. Whether it's for everyday objects or complex optical systems, knowing how these mirrors work is super useful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe our channel, and hit the notification bell for more awesome videos. Leave your questions and comments below, and I'll see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.